In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a PDF without margins in Foxit. Printing without margins can be particularly useful if you need the entirety of your document to fill the entire page, whether for design purposes or simply to maximize the use of paper space. Let's get started by opening the PDF document you want to print in Foxit Reader or Foxit PDF editor. If you don't have it open yet, go ahead and launch the application and load your document. Now, with your PDF open in Foxit, we can move on to the printing process. To print your document, navigate to the top left corner of the application where you'll find the File menu. Click on File, and from the drop-down list, choose the Print option, which will open the Print dialog. Once the Print dialog is up, you'll find several settings and options to adjust before we can proceed to print without margins. The key area we need to focus on in the print dialog is the Scale section, often also referred to as page handling. By default, PDFs are often set to print with some automatic scaling to ensure everything fits within the printer's margins, possibly shrinking your document in the process. To ensure your document is printed at its true and intended size, we need to adjust this setting. In the Scale section, look for the option that allows you to set the scaling to None. Select None to ensure the document prints exactly as it is, using its actual size with no scaling adjustments. This means the PDF will print without margins, so every part of the page gets utilized just as you see it on your screen. And with that, you're ready to move forward. Check if your printer is set up correctly and ensure the correct printer is selected in the Print dialog. When you're satisfied with the settings, go ahead and click the Print button. By setting the scale to None, you'll be able to get your document printed exactly as it appears in the PDF, without those unwanted margins. This is particularly effective for full-page graphics or detailed design documents where every inch really counts. Remember, if you're working with a specific printer model, make sure to check if it supports margin-free printing, as some printers have built-in limitations. Also, ensure that you have the correct paper size loaded into your printer to avoid any errors or misprints. Congratulations, you've successfully printed your PDF without margins using Foxit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward guides on using PDF tools effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.